Hi cookie friends, welcome back to Lights Camera Cookies. Thank you so much for joining us again. I hope you've really been enjoying these videos and enjoying the Halloween fall spooky season that we're going through. And we're gonna bring you some more fun spooky cookies today. If you haven't already, I'd love it if you liked, subscribed, hit the bell for notifications so you can be notified when we have our videos uploaded. Follow us on Facebook and Instagram, and most of all, have fun. So, me and my good friend Hank, I'm coming! I'm here!
Hi, Hank.
Hi! Oh my gosh, I just got back, I'm here.
You just got back from what? We're doing the show.
Yeah, but we had a big supply list this week. Huge supplies.
I didn't need any supplies, Hank.
But I got your no.
What no?
Your supplies! I went out and got you your things!
What?
Hey! I'll be back.
I have no idea what he got.
Here!
I didn't even write a note.
All the things you asked me for in your note! Here!
It's
okay, yeah, you said one broom and some bottles and jars of stuff.
Eyeball extract, spider venom, and a wing of a bat.
You gave me like the weirdest shopping list ever. Look at all this crap.
Hank, I don't remember giving this to you.
Yes, you said we were prepping. We were prepping for witch cookies.
Yes, we were prepping for no, okay, he might have misunderstood. So, today we are going to be making exactly what he said, witch cookies, but more specific, cauldron cookies.
What?
Cauldrons. Like a cauldron. Like this, you guys. Like that.
That's what you meant?
Yes, I didn't say that we were gonna have a cauldron full of potions and stuff. I meant
son of a witch!
Oh, Hank.
No. Too much?
Maybe too much.
Witch, please!
No.
Wait!
What?
They said you have to judge a witch by the size of her cauldron.
I have never heard that.
Yes, I did my research.
I have never heard anything like that. Okay, so you judge a witch by the size of their cauldron.
Yes.
Like this cauldron?
No, you're a bigger witch than that. Okay, wait. Okay, I got you this one.
That's a cute cauldron.
Oh, yeah.
It says witch's brew. That's cute.
Yes.
So
but guess what?
What?
You're still a bigger witch than that. Ha! So wait. Okay. Yes. You're such a witch. That's a big enough cauldron. Now she's gonna turn me into something like a newt or a frog. Crap.
Anyway, cookie friends, I want to show you how to make this little witch's cauldron. I think this is so fun, so spooky. It like really gets me in the Halloween mood. It reminds me of it has Hocus Pocus written on it, but it reminds me of the movie Hocus Pocus, all the fun stuff. I also just want to show you, we're not going to show you how to make this one, but look at how much fun it can be when you put it together with other witch cookies.
Oh, which one?
Which one's here? Let me just show you guys. So I'm gonna have this one posted on Instagram. I'm gonna show the video of a quick video of how it was done, but I'm gonna show that witch, and I'm also gonna show how this witch's boot was made. So if you're not following along on Instagram, please do so you can see how these were made in about a 30-second clip. But we're gonna take our time and show you how to make this guy. Okay, here's my cauldron cookie cutter. I will link that in the description below if you like it. And as always, if you're making these for friends or family or selling them, please do wear food-safe gloves for sanitary reasons. So I started by outlining the cauldron with my black medium consistency royal icing. Just remember, a nice tip about black is that you don't have to saturate your icing as much as you think you do. If you make it the night before and let it set overnight, it actually deepens in color. So that's a nice tip. And I'm just just gonna go ahead and fill that with my same consistency icing, a nice medium consistency. All right, fill that out there. Use my scribe tool. The scribe tool is used to help push the icing to the edges, pop any bubbles, make everything look very nice. So now I've got some stiff royal icing. And by stiff, you can see that I can make these dots and they're not running into each other. They are stiff, they can go on top of each other, and I also don't use piping tips, as you can see. I cut the end of my piping bag and that acts as the tip. So I'm still going in there putting these fun bubbles for the spooky potion. Now I've got these really cute sprinkles, which I'll link in the description below. And this is like a witch's cauldron, and you know what kind of crazy stuff these Halloween witches are putting in their cauldrons. We got some bones, some bugs, a skull, a spider. That just makes it so much, oh, another bone, makes it so fun. I've also got these super cute star, like wafer sprinkles, so they're like paper almost, but edible. I can link them in the description below too. They're a lot of fun to use. All right, now I feel like it's missing, yes, missing an eyeball. I didn't have any eyeball sprinkles, but look at how easy it is to make your own. You just take your white royal icing, make a circle, and then put a black dot in the middle, and there you go. You've got some royal icing eyeballs. Now I also thought this was missing some color, like a different color, so I wanted to put some orange nonpareils in there, which I do think gave it the final touch that it needed. And now, of course, I have to write something on this, so I'm using my copy cake projector. This is different than other projectors. You actually draw your image by hand, and then you can put it in the projector, and it'll show up on your cookie. It'll reflect onto the cookie. So I drew Hocus Pocus in the font that I liked. And I decided, just for more fun, for more Halloween fun, I wanted to alternate colors between purple and orange. Now, the consistency icing that I'm using here has to be a tad stiffer because you don't want it to run into each other. So whenever you're doing detailed work like these dots or like writing on a cookie, you do want to make sure that your icing is a little bit stiffer. And don't hurt your hand. Sometimes it does hurt your hand or your wrist if you're pushing too hard on the bag, so just be mindful of that. Do what's comfortable for you. Now, if you notice on some of these with the open areas, I'm going to put a little squiggle of icing. That's so when I go back over and fill it in, the icing's not going to sink to the bottom and possibly crater or make, holes or bubbles. So I've got that there, and I'm going to go right on top with my royal icing, right over that squiggle that I made. And there it is. Look at that. And it also makes your icing like nice and puffy. So I've got nice puffy font. Now my favorite part of the entire thing is sparkles. Love sparkles.
All right. What did you guys think? This was a super fun cookie. Am I right? Yes. My favorite part, well actually, what is your favorite part? I think mine might be the writing on it. I think it adds a lot of whimsy and fun, but I also love the eyeballs that we made. I think this was a lot of fun here. And do you like the sparkles? I always tend to throw sparkles on everything I can. Look at how fun that is. Look at the sparkle. All right, well thank you guys so much for watching how to make this witch's cauldron.
Wait!
Are you gonna...
Look at all this crap that's still sitting around the studio!
Are you gonna
Eyes of nude, wing of bat! Where are my witches at? Hey, I got another one! Where can you learn how to be a true witch?
Where?
Wikipedia! Ha! Ha! Come on, that was good.
Oh, Hank.
Oh!
You have anything else brewing in your little head? Like witches brew?
Oh, someone cast the crappy comedian spell! Oh!
Guys, I hope you had a good time, and we are gonna see you next time for Halloween. Like, subscribe, hit the bell for notifications, and we will see you next time. Bye, cookie friends!
Yes! Show 'em your resting witch face.
I don't know if you can see the detail, but you see she's got
You're blocking me!
little
You're blocking
warts
my
on her
face!
chin.
Again, being insensitive to puppets. Wait till the viewers show their rage. That!
Look at that witch.
Oh!
These remind me of
A teacher I had in grammar school.
Monsters.
I put a spell on you.
And now you're mine.
Oh God! Hurry up before I drop a house on you.
Oh my gosh.
Ah!
Oh, Glinda. Good witch. Am I a good witch or a bad witch?
Sucks.
Hank, you can't say sucks.
Oh. Oh.
Stop saying crap.
Oh. Sorry.
Well,
Well,
think we're done here.
are we? We're all out?
I think we're done.
Yeah.
Yep. Hank!
Ah!
No!
Sorry!
You just cannot eat the cookie.
It could be a potion! I could be rich and famous and working with Kermit. Oh, I don't know. Whoa. That is a little high. Whoa.
You've been a floating head.
Whoa, I'm short. Ah.